What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Craig. So a lot of you guys have asked me, how do I make my thumbnails? I know I've already done a video about this, but this is going to be how to make thumbnails in 2020 part 2. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial, so hopefully guys this helps you out, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so usually with my thumbnails, I just want to get, for my backgrounds, I usually want to get some type of cool background. So I'm just going to look up right now like aesthetic background and just pick something that I like out of this. So I'm just going to grab this one, save it to my files, save this background, throw it onto my timeline. Boom. So now we just have our background, and now we're going to save ourselves some trouble and just make our border now. So you want to get your shape tool over here and just go like this. The border can be whatever thickness you want, by like this amount. Go like that. You should really just Control C, Control V all the lines, but I just make it faster and just do it myself. And then you want to merge all these layers by holding shift and clicking from the top one to the bottom, or the bottom to the top one. Right click on it and merge the shapes. I then want to change the blend mode to screen, but now nothing's there. You want to then click blending options, and when this screen pops up, you want to click drop shadow. So change my drop shadow to black. We then want to change the spread, take the spread down, and then mess with the distance a little bit, and then mess with the size. And boom, we have this cool like transparent but shadowed border. And then we're gonna move on to our text. So for text, it's all like your own personal preference, what you want your text to be. I usually want to find something that's like thick, that pops out. So we're gonna do how to in this thick font right here. Put it like that. You got how to. Give it a little bit of an angle, and then we're gonna do make. If I could spell correctly, do make like that, and grab right here how to make, and then we're gonna just type out thumbnails, and then boom, we have how to make thumbnails just like that. And then this is where it comes into your own creative styles. I've downloaded a bunch of styles off different preset packs, so I'm gonna go over here and just grab one of my styles. Let's say I'm gonna grab this one and make the how to look like that, and go into its settings, go to blending options, and make that drop shadow just a little bit less like that. Take that stroke size down, make about that much. Now we're gonna go for our next word. We're gonna actually do the thumbnails. We're gonna do that in red because thumbnails is the important part, because everyone knows how to make thumbnails. We're gonna take our, I think this is gonna be the drop shadow. We're gonna take the distance up. We're gonna take the spread like this much, go like that, and then now we finally have our make portion. And make, we can probably do the same as our other one, but that doesn't pop as much. And this is where you just go to, go through your different options and see what fits best for you. I like the green, but we can also try this red one. That one pops for me, so I'm gonna right click on it, blending options. We're actually gonna take that stroke down because the size of the stroke is a little bit too much. And we're gonna take this, gonna tilt it this way, make it a little bit smaller, maybe go like that, just a little bit like this. Take our thumbnails part, make this smaller, go like that, and boom, now we have our text section. And this part comes into all about preference. So for me, I want to put a YouTube logo in for my thumbnail, so I'm gonna grab this YouTube logo PNG I downloaded, drag it up here, give it a little angle, make it a little bigger. Then you want to go right click on it, want to add a drop shadow to it, change the distance. We're then also going to add an outer glow to it, so let me just go click outer glow. I made the outer glow red because of course this is the YouTube logo color is red. Make the opacity full, change the size like that, and boom, you have your thumbnail. And then this is where you get into a little bit of the fancy parts. For me, I have a lot of different GFX packs I use, and so this is just, I'm going to go through my GFX packs and I'm going to pick the one that I feel fits. So I have this Trippy's GFX pack, and go to the effects section, going to go to sunburst. We're going to make sure I make this invisible, go to sunburst, and once I pick the sunburst I want, Control C, Control V. Oh, I copied the wrong thing. Let's go back up to effects, sunburst, click it, Control C, Control V. Now I have my sunburst. I'm gonna stretch it out, gonna put it behind the layers, Control T to make sure it's in the position I want. Let's stretch it out a little bit. And now you basically have your thumbnail. And now you can just go through and do what you want. So I'm gonna rasterize this layer, and I want to add a glow to this one. And boom, your thumbnail is done. Hope you guys did enjoy this little tutorial I have for you guys. This is very simple, very easy to do. I will link the places I got these styles from in the preset packs and GFX packs I use to make my thumbnails in the description down below. Definitely check out those people's channels. They make awesome stuff, so definitely go check it out. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time on the channel. Peace.